In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into Charles Schwab Brokerage account. It is very easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to deposit money in your Charles Schwab Brokerage account, you can use this multiple options. So first option is using the Schwab mobile app. So you just have to download the Charles Schwab app on your phone. You can download it from the Play Store or the App Store. Then you need to log in your Charles Schwab application. Then you have to deposit a check. So from the app menu, you have to go to the deposit option, and then you have to take a photo of front and the back of your endorsed check. Then you need to enter the amount and choose your broker's account for the deposit. Then you need to confirm the details and then simply submit it. Now the second method is bank transfer ACH. So you need to link your bank account. First log in your Charles Schwab online account, then go to the transfer and payment option, then click on link external account, then enter your bank account details. Now second step is to transfer fund. So once you have linked your bank account, go to the transfer and payment option. Now this time click on transfer fund and then select your external bank account and your Charles Schwab brokerage account and the amount. Then simply you can confirm and submit. The third option is wire transfer. So you can obtain the Charles Schwab wire instruction. You need to find the wire transfer details on the Charles Schwab website, or you can also call customer service to getting your Charles wire transfer details. Then you need to initiate a wire from your bank. So you need to provide your bank with Charles Schwab wire transfer details including your account number. Note that your bank may charge a wire transfer fee. So the last option is mail a check. So you can write a check payable to the Charles Schwab and Coincy. Include your brokerage account number in this memo. So you can mail to the Charles Schwab and Co.Inc. PO Box 982600 El Paso TX 799982600. So once you mail a check, you will get money in your Charles Schwab brokerage account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.